Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to start a tutorial on different JavaScript array method. So in this video we will see what are the different JavaScript array method that we are going to learn in the upcoming video, and along with that we will do a text editor setup. So in the upcoming video we are going to learn these many different JavaScript array method, that is concat, copy within entries, fill, filter, find index, for each, from, include, index of each array, map, reduce, push, hop, sum, sort, value, and many more. Okay. Now it's time to set up our code editor. So in for this tutorial, I'm going to use the Visual Studio Code, and you can download the Visual Studio uh, editor from their official website. And depending on your uh, system, whether it is Windows or Linux or Mac, you can download that exe file. So once you download the Visual Studio Code, you have to open your Visual Studio Code. So once you open the Visual Studio Code, it will be look like this. You have to install some extension. In this course, we will be installing bracket hair colorizer for coloring the matching brackets. We need to not this one required. You need to install the live server. Basically will provide a local development server to run our JS file in a browser console. In this course, mostly we will be working with the Chrome browser console. After that, you need to install the prettier for code formatting. Okay, so these are the package you need to install in order to learn this tutorial based on array method. Okay, so and on desktop we need to create one folder. You can create one folder. So I'm doing JS array method. Now go to your Visual Studio Code and open the folder in the desktop. JS array method. I have selected this folder. So I have got. Now inside that folder, we need to create one. You can create one more folder like array method. So in this folder, our all different array method file will be there. After that, you need to create one index.html file. Okay, you have to generate some boilerplate HTML code. So I have generated the boilerplate HTML code. So title we can leave it as it is. We can give some h2 tag, and this is the introduction video. And in array folder, sorry, this will be not in array folder, it will be in outside. So I'm just copying it outside. Okay, so this will be empty. In this we will have only all the JavaScript files. So for example, let's say test.js file, and in order to include your JavaScript file, you need to put in the script tag. So you can give your file name and test.js and move it into center. Okay, so save it and here give console log hello world. Now what you have to do, you have to click the right click and open with the live server. Now control shift I, you will see our console log is getting printed in the browser console. So we have set up our Visual Studio Code editor. In the next video, we are going to start learning different JavaScript array method. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. If you like it, then press the like button and stay tuned for this tutorial.